Step-by-step guide, how to cancel ChartExpo Likert Scale Chart subscription for Power BI. Click on the Unsubscribe ChartExpo to cancel the ChartExpo subscription. Slide the Show Link in Chart button to the right to turn it on. Click the Unsubscribe link to cancel your subscription. When you navigate away from the Power BI environment, a pop-up will appear. Click the OK button to open the browser. Enter your email and select a reason for cancellation. Then click the Unsubscribe button. Your subscription for ChartExpo Likert Scale Chart has been cancelled. ChartExpo will send you an email confirming your subscription cancellation. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.